So this product was produced, are you guys ready for this? In 2011. Has a 36-month shelf life and is best before 2014. So that right there, guys, that's how you know you're living the mom life, when you have baby spit up on your sleeve. Just saying, just saying. All right, you guys, so I hope everyone is having a fabulous start off to their week so far and a happy Monday. And I am excited because we are getting ready to unbox and try out a new subscription box. Now, when I say new, it's new to this channel. It's not brand new, but I've never heard of this box before. It just kind of popped up in my feed on Instagram one day, and I said, you know what? Sure, why not? Let's try it out. We need some fresh meat on this channel. You know what I'm saying? So let's, as you guys can see, I've not opened it up. I've not, like, look at this, like nothing. I've been impatiently waiting on you guys. So let's crack this open. So a little bit about this box, because I don't know a lot about it. It's called Melanin Bliss. This box I think is $25 a month, but I did find a code. I think it was like a 15% off code, because it's $25 a month plus shipping. So after the 15% off code and shipping and all that, I think I paid, let me tell you, $25.25 is what I paid for this box right here. So obviously I did pay for it. Are you ready? There she is, and that is all that's in that bag. So very, very cute. I am loving the little sticker here on the front, as you guys can see. Just very regal, queen-like. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving this. All right, so we're taped up. Let's get our little scissors back out again. I like the fact that it comes in a box, but then it also has the protective wrap. So, you know, I'm kudos and points there. Okay, let's see. That is what she looks like when we open it. So there's a little do here. And the one thing I will say about this box, it had a very, very thorough, like thing that you had to fill out, like beauty profile quiz thing. I mean, very thorough. Little thank you sticker right there. All right, let's see what we've got. Ooh, all right, looking good so far. So we see Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. Oh, Too Faced concealer in light medium. So this ought to be interesting, because as I said, it had a very, very thorough like very thorough. Ooh, let's see, is that gonna be, ooh, okay, so that's a pretty good match, you guys. Holy cow, that's a pretty good match. Okay, so I'm gonna look this product up off camera after I'm done filming this. I'm gonna check the codes here on the bottom, make sure that everything is legit. If it is, you won't see anything on the screen. If it's not, you guys are gonna see something pop up down here that says, whoa, hang on a minute, this is not legit. But if this is legit, you guys, that's a pretty good match, and a concealer nevertheless. So pretty good start to a $25 box, I would just like to say. All right, product number 2. We have Beauty Bakery. Uh-oh. This box is bringing it. Holy cow. Okay, so we have all heard of Beauty Bakery. I love Beauty Bakery. Is this a lipstick? Yeah, it's their lipsticks, and I can't get it out. Ooh, yes. So we have a Beauty Bakery lipstick. It's actually their lip whips, and I have been actually really wanting this. These are like $18 at Ulta. So let's see what we're working with. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's a really pretty color, you guys. Ooh, tell me that does not look fall. So again, I'm gonna look up these batch codes because y'all know me, but so far I'm pretty impressed. So we got Beauty Bakery, we got Too Faced. All right, the next product here, I'm not really seeing, and there's not a card anywhere. So they need to work on that. They need to work on getting a card, but let's see, what do we got here? This looks like a little package with a shoe. All right. Okay, so this is a little compact mirror, two compact mirror. Now I will say, you know, as you can see, this is kind of it's not even closing. So, oh, there we go. I had to like move it and wiggle it around. So it's cute that it's a little compact mirror. It looks like we got two different mirrors, like one's like a little bit magnified. Yeah, so this one on the bottom is more magnified than the one on the top. But, you know, it's again, you got to it's kind of a little cheap, but it's cute. It's cute. It's really cute. So, you know, and not every product can be a winner. So let's keep moving. The next product we have here is Estee Lauder Take It Away Makeup Remover Lotion. And this feels really light, but when I shake it and like actually hold it up to the light, I mean, it is full. I mean, it feels light though. So, okay, that's interesting. It doesn't have a seal on it. So, but I don't know if it comes with a seal. Estee Lauder's good products, really, really good products. Oh, no, there is a batch code here at the top. So just like everything else, we will definitely check it out, but it smells good. Oh my God, it smells good. Yeah, that smells really good, you guys. Okay, so excited to look that up, and hopefully this product is good because I have not used a Estee Lauder makeup remover, and again, their products are awesome. All right, the next product here, looks like we have earrings, and holy cow. Okay, so it was in this cute little box, and I'll just show you guys. Woo, girl. Let's just see what we got going on here. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I mean, they're light. They're surprisingly really light, but I'm just saying, like, not really my style. Like, oh my gosh. So this is from Fashion Jewelry. It just says Fashion Jewelry made in China. They're like kind of like, as you guys can hear that, like little plasticky kind of earrings. But they're cute. They're cute. They're cute. My daughter would totally loves, honestly, she's been really into funky earrings. So this might be something that my daughter might actually want, and surprisingly enough. So I'm gonna put these back in the box, and we're gonna move on to our next product. So there's like a little bag right here. So we're gonna open it up. It's all tied up nice and tight. Ooh, 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 ooh. So we got a little bottle here of, what is this? Molten Brown London Heavenly Ginger Bath and Body Gel. All right, so let's take a whiff. Ooh, that actually smells really good. I'm not a fan of bath and body gels. Like normally they're really overpowering, but that actually smells really good. And then there's like a little, check it out, a little loofah-y sponge. Yay. And I actually need one of these. Like these are really, really, really good for exfoliating and stuff. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. All right. And then we have our last product here is a little bag, a little makeup bag. It's got everything like nice and sealed on it. And it is an Estee Lauder bag. And show you guys what it looks like on the inside there. This is actually a really, really, really nice bag. Like this is way better than something you would get in Ipsy. Not down in Ipsy's bags or anything, but yeah, that's a really, really nice bag, you guys. So, all right, let's recap real fast. So we got the Estee Lauder bag, which I'm just really loving this bag. I normally don't like makeup bags, but this is a pretty nice bag right here. Okay, so we got the makeup bag. We got the loofah and shower gel, which surprisingly, I don't normally like getting something like this in a box, but I like the fact that it really came with the loofah, quite frankly. And yeah, so I'm excited about that. All right, so we got the earrings. Not very excited for these. Just kind of, you know, they look like little cheap dollar earrings, but my daughter will probably like these. So that's kind of crazy. I'll give them an A for effort, and little cheap box here, but very cute box. And I'm probably going to reuse this box because it's very, very cute box. All right. Then we have the little makeup mirror here. Again, another like kind of cheap product, but I do like the fact that it's got the 1 times and the 2 times magnification on the mirror. And I do like the little shoe on it. And okay, that time it closed a little better. So we got it closed that time. All right. So we got the mirror. And then we got the Estee Lauder Take It Away Makeup Remover Lotion. We have the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. And then the Beauty Bakery Long Lasting Cream Liquid Lipstick. And this is their Liquid Whips. Lip whips. So, and I really like the color on that because this isn't a color that I have a lot of. So, and I don't have, I think, of that really tone. And it hasn't dried down yet. So that's kind of, okay. So I'm really excited to look up these products. So I'm going to take a break for a second, look these batch codes up, see what I can find out. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. So the good news is the Beauty Bakery on the Rocks color and everything. This is good. This is a good product. All right. So I did check out this color and everything. It hasn't been released for very long. And the shelf life on it is 12 months once it's open and used. So we're good there. The second product, the Estee Lauder Take It Away Makeup Remover Lotion. This is good. This was produced. Oh my gosh. This was produced August of 2018. So it's got a 36-month shelf life and it is best used before August 2021. So this product is. So after I finished filming this video, I went to use this product, and you guys know I always check the ingredients first, and I found something very peculiar. Number one, there were no ingredients listed, but I also found this right here. It says not for individual sale. So with there being no seal saying not for individual sale, no ingredients listed, this more than likely came in a kit or a set and then was broken down and sold in these boxes. The bad news is the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. So this product was produced, are you guys ready for this? In 2011. Has a 36-month shelf life and is best before 2014. And that's this batch code 1117 here at the end. And just to let you guys know, I always check everything, and it's the same batch code printed on the bottom of this. So I do check everything on Beauty Keeper. It's an app that I have on my iPhone. I think you can get on Android too. I will put it in the description down below if you guys are curious and want to check out your own beauty products. It's also a really good way because you can actually like keep, you know, there's like an entire, you can look up batch codes, you can create and keep lists of your own products and when you need to replace them and that kind of thing. So it's actually a very, very helpful app to have. So just throwing that out there. So all in all, I think this is a pretty good box for $25. You know, because here's the thing, at the end of the day, obviously the box has to make their money and then you guys have to get good products. So I think the majority, and this is actually the spoiler that caught my eye was this Beauty Bakery. I saw their spoiler for that. And that is what, you know, when I was flipping through, they were like, hey, we're having Beauty Bakery in November. And by the way, this was their November box as well. So this is what caught my eye and made me kind of subscribe because I'm like, okay, a subscription box that has Beauty Bakery. I've been wanting to try that product. Worst case scenario, you know, I get some good products. So I did get some good products. I'm really happy actually with the loofah. And, you know, even though I wouldn't normally like something like that in my box, I'm really happy with it. The Estee Lauder bag, even the little mirror was cute. Not a real big fan of the earrings. But this is a problem. This is definitely a problem. So I am going to reach out to this company about this. And what do you guys think? Let me know down below. Should I subscribe for another month? Should, you know, do you guys want to know what happens when I reach out to this company about this product? Let me know again down below. And if, you know, maybe we'll give it another go. So let me know. I love you guys so, so very much. And I will see you next time because we've got so much going on this month. And until then,